Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Did you know there's a flower that looks like a bat? Yes, so let's meet the mysterious black bat flower. Meet the black bat flower, one of the most bizarre and beautiful flowers on earth. Let's learn about this flower. The black bat flower, also called devil flower and cat's whiskers, is an unusual tropical herb belonging to the yam family of Southeast Asia. About 15 species are described, with this one native to Malaysia, where it grows as part of the tropical understory. Now here are some strange but true facts. It is one of the rare and mysterious flowers which grows in the tropical forest of Southeast Asia and is super hard to find in the wild. And not just black, though famous for its dark petals, it can also be deep purple or even green. The whiskers are record-breaking. Yes, its long filaments can grow up to 28 inches longer than a roller. Oh my god. The another interesting fact is its unique pollination and pollination by flies. The bat flower has unique pollination method in that it is mostly autonomous self-pollinating. And also, unlike most flowers, the bat flower attracts flies, not bees. Difficult to grow. It needs warmth, humidity and shade, making it a challenge for the gardeners to grow. And thus we can say that nature is full of surprises. Stay tuned for more amazing facts. If you like this video, drop a heart and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Have a nice day.